Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Good day everyone. Our journey into realm of fashion designing begins with a spark of a passion and desire to create a beauty that resonates with the soul, nurtured by the guidance and resources provided by the IIFA Multimedia.
Indeed, IIFA Multimedia became our sanctuary where we honed our skills, explored our creativity, and discovered the true essence of design.
Each stage, each embellishment tells a story, narrative woven with the threads of creativity, ingenuity, fueled by the unwavering support of IIFA Multimedia.
But beyond the glamour and allure of the runway lies a deeper significance, a testament to the power of self-expression and individuality instilled in us by the values upheld at IIFA Multimedia.
Our designs nurtured under the mentorship of IIFA Multimedia are not merely garments, they are manifestations of identity, confidence and empowerment. They embrace diversity, celebrate uniqueness and redefine conventional standards of beauty.
Through our craft, inspired by the ethos of IIFA Multimedia, we aim to inspire others to embrace authenticity, to embrace the journey of self-discovery, and to fearlessly pursue their dreams.
In a world inundated with the trends of fleeting fashion, let us remember the timeless elegance of self-assurance.
The enduring allure of authenticity and the boundless possibilities that lie within each of us, fostered by the nurturing environment of IIFA Multimedia.